Land Rover India has introduced the Defender 90 3-door version which joins the Defender 110, already on sale. The Land Rover Defender 90 is priced from 76,57,000 rupees for the standard version, going all the way up to 1 crore 12 lakh rupees for the top spec Defender X. The new Defender 90 is available in several variants including the Defender, X Dynamic and the Defender X. These are further divided into S, SC and HSE specification packs. The new 3-door offering gets a smaller wheelbase compared to the 110 version and sports 40% of new components over the 5-door model. The 2-litre petrol and diesel as well as the 3-litre diesel engines are carried over. Other features on the Defender 90 include the PV Pro infotainment system with over-the-air updates, configurable terrain response and terrain response 2 with the new weight program. Deliveries of the new Defender 90 will begin soon in India. BMW Motorrad has launched the 2021 R1250 GS and R1250 GS Adventure in the country. Prices for the R1250 GS start at 20,45,000 rupees, while the R1250 GS Adventure is priced at 22,40,000 rupees. All prices are introductory and ex-showroom. The Adventure motorcycles get significant updates for 2021. This includes the new 40 years of GS black and yellow colors that will be available in limited numbers. The updated R1250 GS range also gets adaptive cornering lights with an adjustable headlight reflector, Hill Start Control Pro, Integral ABS Pro, heated rider and passenger seats as well as heated grips, and a new TFT instrument console. In addition to the road and rain riding modes, the 2021 R1250 GS gets Pro riding modes including Dynamic, Dynamic Pro, Enduro and Enduro Pro. Power comes from the BS6 compliant 1254cc Boxer twin engine with shift cam technology that develops 134 brake horsepower and 143 Nm of peak torque. The 2021 BMW R1250 GS range comes to India as a completely built unit and bookings are now open across dealerships pan-India. The Federation of Automobile Dealers Association FADA reported retail sales for the month of June 2021 and the passenger vehicle sector grew by 43.45% to 1,84,134 units. Total vehicle registration stood at 12,17,151 units last month, registering a growth of 22.62%. The strong performance does come on the back of a low base recovery from last year due to the pandemic. When compared to pre-pandemic levels in June 2019, total vehicle sales are still down by 28.32%. On a year-on-year basis though, all categories reported retail sales growth. Two-wheeler retail sales increased by 16.9% at 9,30,324 units last month, as against 7,95,819 units in June 2020. However, sales were down by 30.47 units when compared to June 2019. Commercial vehicle sales grew by a healthy 236.19% to 35,700 units last month, while tractor sales grew by 14.27% with 52,261 units sold. FADA is hoping the same growth momentum will be carried over in July volumes as well.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.